Hey, it's TD2 here, coming to you another free product and money maker video. So I'm back with, of course, I'm using Ibotta, and I have two products today that I'm showing. I have two each thing because Diva One has Diva One has an account and I have an account. So each one of us got free products. So the first product is called, hopefully I can say it right, Sejoyia, I think it's the brand. It is a non-GMO verified product, gluten-free, and it's called the name of the product is called Coco Thins snackable cashew cookies. It's a salted caramel, and they look like this. It is a 3.5 ounce little bag. I got one. It's the Coco Thins. This is cashew cookies, but this is the chocolate flavored one. So Ibotta is offering one bag for, you'll get a $4 and I think what's 69 cents. I think you get back cash back. I'll leave a picture here. So you got a few cents back, plus whatever you paid for something. So you make a few cents off of this, plus you get a free product. And as you can see, both these are open because I allow my parents to try these. And yeah, so I figured I'd come to you with that. The Goodbelly Probiotics yogurt. I got the peach flavored one. This is the 11-gram protein lactose free yogurt. This is 5.3 ounce little cup. And Diva One got the black cherry yogurt. These were, I paid $1.28. They're $1.28 each at the store, and I think you get $1.49 back receipt into the Ibotta app, and you'll get a few cents back off of these, plus the money that you put into buying this. So it's a free product. Each of us got a flavor each, and yeah, that's it for this video. Look below in the description box. I'll have the link for you to sign up for Ibotta, and there's a lot of different products on there that you can get cash off rebates, and it'd be stacked. You can have it accumulate in your account until you reach $20. I think it's $20. Once you reach $20, you can redeem it for a gift card or have it deposited to your PayPal account. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.